In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ads.txt in Blogger website. If you're seeing an Ads.txt warning in Google AdSense, or you've been asked to add an Ads.txt file to your Blogger site, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and Blogger makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enable and add a custom Ads.txt file in your Blogger settings so your site is properly configured for monetization. To get started, sign in to your Blogger account. Once you're inside, look to the top left area of the screen and select the blog you want to update. This is important if you manage more than one blog because the Ads.txt setting needs to be added to the correct website. After selecting the right blog, go to the left-hand panel and click on Settings. This is where Blogger keeps most of the configuration options for your site, including the monetization-related settings we need for this fix. Next, scroll down until you find the monetization section. Take your time here, because the setting can be a little lower on the page depending on your screen size. Once you find monetization, look for the option called Enable Custom Ads.txt and turn it on. Enabling this setting tells Blogger that you want to use your own Ads.txt entry instead of leaving it unmanaged. As soon as that option is enabled, click on Custom Ads.txt. A text field will open where you can enter the Ads.txt line provided by Google AdSense or by your ad network. Make sure you paste the line exactly as it was given to you. Ads.txt entries are very specific, so even a small formatting mistake, an extra space, or a missing comma can cause issues. Once the line has been pasted correctly, click Save. That's the final step for adding the file in Blogger. After saving, keep in mind that changes like this may not reflect instantly. It can take some time for Blogger, search engines, or ad platforms like AdSense to detect the updated Ads.txt file. So if the warning doesn't disappear right away, that's normal. Give it a little time and check again later. A helpful tip here is to always copy the Ads.txt line directly from your official ad provider dashboard instead of typing it manually. That reduces the chances of errors and helps ensure your monetization setup works as expected. And that's it. You've now updated your Blogger website's Ads.txt setting and taken an important step toward fixing monetization warnings and keeping your ad setup properly verified.